Going on, everybody? It's about that time. Back with another video. It's your boy Lil ToKe. Let's get it popping.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Can someone please tell me what is wrong with this cat?
Watch your head. Watch your head. Lower your...
Fucking animals.
Okay, you're not learning too
My cat
quick.
probably do some stupid shit
Alright,
like that.
watch your head.
That's
These
a
girls found a
purebred cat,
squirrel
too.
on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Bro, there's no way. Oh shit!
I can't!
Oh my god! Holy shit!
Oh man, this is not working. I mean, I always have a backup plan.
Oh my god!
One of my subscribers was trying to take down a beehive.
Oh damn! This is a good video. Wow.
Someone on a bike
I'm
ran into a
dead.
police officer, and the amazing thing is that the police gave him a fist bump and let him go.
I'm weak. You bounced that nigga off the floor.
Don't worry, the cat was totally fine.
Pronouncing English words in Japanese. McDonald's, McDonald, Ultraman, Ultraman, Burger King, Burger King.
Baga Kingu. Nice. I didn't expect them to all get that. The TV. It's gonna be a TV.
This is called the rolling shutter effect. One of my subscribers recorded this video showing how this effect distorted the propellers on an airplane.
Hi, how are you?
I'm sorry, I gotta do this.
Oh, okay. Hey, don't get on the sign.
I'm not.
I just said don't get on the
I'm not on
sign.
I'm not on it.
I can see you.
Bro, what is going on?
Have you guys ever...
Hold on. Hold on, bro. What is going on?
I'm free.
With SpongeBob in the
Have
background.
you guys ever seen a squishy watermelon before?
It's just going rotten. Ugh. Oh my. Oh, bro. Whoa.
This video's ending now. I really hope you enjoyed.
Yo,
and
that was
I'll see you guys
fucking
again very, very
disgusting.
soon. Later.
Bruh. I'm sorry that I had to watch that juice come out. Ugh. That's disgusting. Alright. There it is. That's another video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm going to leave the link to my song in the description. And my Instagram and stuff like that. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace.